Mimi, have you got your tutu on? Do you like your tutu?
I can't get a bed. It's broken.
Oh, can I get it out for you?
Broken, Mum.
Is it?
Yeah.
What are you wearing there?
It's not broken.
Ah. Is it fixed?
Yeah.
What are you wearing?
A tutu.
Do you like wearing your tutu?
Yeah.
Do you?
You take a photo of my tutu,
Okay.
and I can have a look of the tutu.
Okay. And have you got long hair?
No, I haven't.
It's growing long, isn't it?
But I want a paper up to Daisy.
Do you want me to make you a purple up to Daisy?
And put it on her links. Then I'll put it and a blanket on.
Oh, she can go on her little bed there. What do you say if you want Mummy to do something like that for you? How do you ask nicely?
Please, can you take a photo of my tutu?
Okie dokie, I'll do that, Mimi. It's a pleasure.